Find all user-installed packages. Is there any way to get a list of all user-installed packages on an Ubuntu system, i.e. the packages that were installed on top of the default installed packages? The idea is to get a comprehensive list that can be used to install the same packages on a clean Ubuntu installation.
Look at these files. Breaktime equals 1s/.gz, your primary installation. This file date would be your installation date, I think. /var/log/dpkg.log, update timeline, this is what you want. Breaktime equals 1s/.log, things apt updated on your system. Breaktime equals 1s/ will contain the deb packages downloaded for installation. Update, use the following 2 steps for exact list of new installs. Execute, grep w install /var/log/dpkg.log is greater than full list.log. Look at lines beyond the breaktime equals 1s/.gz timestamp. Since you want to get a clean installation on another system with these packages, you could even copy the deb files from the cache/app/archives path to that of the new installation and get them installed in one shot, without downloading them again.
Just for greens, I put together a one-liner, here split for clarity, that figures out packages manually installed, excluding those installed initially and any packages automatically installed. This works both in Bash and in CSH.
Based on the information above, I wrote a short Python script to list packages that were manually installed. See this link. Feel free to use it, although I assume no responsibility for it. However, feedback and suggestions are always welcome.
Check my answer here to a related question: how can I display the list of all packages installed on my Debian system? Some of the other answers on the question also contain nice suggestions on getting such a list. This question should be marked a duplicate, since the earlier question also covers this question, but it might be useful to have this question stand on its own so it's easier to find.
This is a hack job, but it completely works. First, go to this URL, or whatever version of Ubuntu you're using, and grab the *.manifest file that is associated with the version of Ubuntu you're using. Then, run the following script, replacing, angle brackets and all, with the path to the file you downloaded. You can always append is greater than output to the end to make a file dump.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.